Hey there! Today I have a quick demo and review of the Echo Look from Amazon, and I purchased this about several months ago, and currently it's available by invitation only, but I believe you can just go to the Amazon website and request an invitation. And yeah, so if you're not familiar with the Echo Look, it is part of the Echo family. So what differentiates the Echo Look from some of the other Echoes is that it comes with a camera. So it's a voice-activated camera, and the purpose of this Echo Look is to help you with your style. So I thought, okay, why don't I give this a try? It is kind of pricey. It retails for around $200. It can do pretty much everything the original Echo can do, but it has a camera. And unfortunately, so with the Echo Look, you can actually take full-length pictures of yourself, and I'll put up some examples of some pictures that I took using the Look. And what it does is it'll automatically blur out the background. So it does have built-in LED lighting. So when you take a picture, it'll flash, and it says it has depth sensing technology and automatically blurs the backgrounds, which is using computer vision-based technology to make your outfits pop. And I think it actually looks pretty cool. So like if you have something in the background, like say, you know, a laundry basket or whatever, it gets blurred out so it doesn't look bad. So I think that's nice. And it also has the ability to take a 6-second video, so you can twirl around and you can look at your outfit from all angles. Another thing the Echo Look has is its own dedicated app. So you would download both the regular Alexa app and the Echo Look app. And using the app, you can view your photos. It also has something called Style Check. So Style Check is what you use to, I guess, evaluate your outfits. And the way it does that is by comparing one picture to another. There's no like rating system. I kind of wish that it would just kind of give each look a rating, but you kind of just have to compare different outfits. I'll show you how that's done in the demo. You can also use Echo Look for all the other things that the Echo can do. Like for example, she can tell a joke. You can ask her to tell a joke. She can play music. One thing though, the speaker's not great. It's supposed to be comparable to like a cell phone speaker. I kind of do wish she had Bluetooth capability so I could link it up to like headphones or something. But yeah, there's that.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Alexa. Say hi to everyone.
Calling with Alexa is not supported on this device.
Oh.
Use the Alexa app instead.
Oh, okay. All right. Alexa, can you tell me what the weather's like today?
Currently, in Honolulu, it's 78 degrees with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 68 degrees.
Yeah, it's currently raining, actually. Okay, so, well, there you go. So she's very useful. Besides being able to take pictures, she can tell me stuff. Like, okay, I'm just going to do a quick demo of the Echo Look app. And here you see, this is the home page. And it'll always have like the last picture that I took, and that was what I took yesterday. And then you'll scroll down and it shows you your top colors last month. It has some other things. I noticed it also has some, looks like some Amazon clothing ads, you know, like suggested things, because it is Amazon and they're probably going to try to sell you stuff. But so far I haven't really bought anything from the app. But what's kind of cool is, so you can see all the pictures that you took, and I've taken quite a few since I've had this for several months. And then out of the pictures, you're also able to put them in collections. You can designate favorites. So those are some favorites. And then you can also set up your own categories, and that's something new. I think they just had this upgrade within the last week or so. So I've set up my own collections. Like one is, say, mix and match. And I've got golden tote. I've only gotten one golden tote. I have one coming soon. I set up a Stitch Fix category or collection. I've got, well, that's just favorites. And then I've got, you know, other things like I have work casual. This is actual outfits that I wore to work. Some of them aren't very nice. And yeah, so that's that. And then the other thing that you can do in the app, it's called Style Check. And that's that's what I use to decide what I want to keep and what I want to return for my last Stitch Fix. I've actually been using this for several Stitch Fix boxes. So you'll see you can create a comparison. You just click on that and then you select two outfits that you want to compare. So I'm going to compare that one to, let's see, it's probably going to tell me that I already compared it. Check it. I think I might have. But anyway, so you select two, and it takes about a minute for it to get your result. But you can kind of scan through some of the other past results that I had, and I compared that pink top with a lot of different bottoms, white pants, black pants, jeans, just to see, because it seemed to really like that pink top against everything. So here you'll see how, I don't know if you saw my last Stitch Fix box, but here's the pink top versus the seafoam green Daniel Rain top. And it really liked it, 67% to 33%, but then it couldn't come up with a reason why. So I don't know, I mean, I really like that green top, and even though Alexa was telling me the pink top looked better, I ultimately ended up keeping that.
Sorry, I don't know that.
She's always listening. It did seem to like the black and yellow dress, and although initially I really liked the, that purple dress by Daniel Rain, when I compared it against the black and yellow dress, it seemed to prefer that one. So here's the comparison, and it is 69% to 31% going for the black and yellow dress over the purple Daniel Rain dress. And the reasons given were color patterns work better, colors work better together, and shoe choice looks better on you. So I mean, I don't know, I could have just changed shoes, but I did try doing different combinations, and it seemed like it really preferred the black and yellow dress over the purple dress, even though I really loved that purple dress. But ultimately I decided to keep the yellow and black dress, and I think even though the Daniel Rain dress was beautiful, I mean, I really loved it, but ultimately I think I'd probably get more use out of the black and yellow dress. So I had to let it go, sadly. Okay, so that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was informative. Let me know if you have any other questions that I haven't mentioned in my video. If you were thinking of getting the Echo look and you had some questions for me, go ahead and leave me a comment, and I'll do my best to try to answer them. So anyway, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I will be back with more unboxing videos. I have a golden tote coming up soon, so hopefully soon. So anyway, take care. Bye now. Alexa, take a picture.